Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to gift someone on IMVU or gift to your friends. So let's start our video. Log in your IMVU profile. After login your IMVU profile, go to online friends. After going to online friends, click on search and search your friend name. After searching your friend name, click on gift. After clicking your friend profile gift, click on wishlist. After clicking on wishlist, you can see products that you can send to your friend or list of your friend. So from here you can select an item and gift your friend. So this is how you can send gift to your friends.